The kennel cough vaccine protects against canine infectious respiratory disease. It's a disease that's spread by aerosol from one dog's mouth or nose to another dog's mouth or nose. It's typically around other social dogs, so if you take your dog to the dog park, if you do board them at a kennel, basically anytime that they're active around other dogs, it's highly transmissible, so your dog can easily get it unless it has the vaccine. If it's an oral or nasal vaccine, you need it only once you could do as little as 4 weeks of age, once a year, and it can protect them from an extremely harsh disease where they have a lot of coughing, nasal drippage, they could have some eye drippage, and just generally feel lethargic and have a fever.